Hello, my name is Grace Huang, and I'm a geomechanics product manager at RocScience. Today, I would like to show you how to do a sensitivity analysis in RocSlope. Typically, joint size and strength are parameters of high uncertainty. Let me show you how we can treat these as variables in RocSlope. Here in RocSlope, I'm showing a 3D model of an open pit mine. You can see here that we have the joints modeled as circular discs. Now, our map joints come with location and size, and the true size of joints it's typically an unknown. So let's vary disc size or the joint sizes in our sensitivity analysis. I'm going to define measure joints dialog, and here you see a column for the radius. Now, we can assume that the map defects supply the radius of the disc or the diameter of the disc, and that's just an assumption. And we may even want to make these joints extend even larger in our sensitivity analysis in the interest of forming more blocks. So how would I change the radius? I would cut and paste the original values into another column, and then I would simply supply a formula like I would in Excel. For instance, I would double the value of the original radius, and then copy and paste this formula for every single joint in my grid. And you can see joint discs have increased in size. Now, we can also vary the strength properties of the joints. To do that, I would make sure to conduct a probabilistic analysis. And then supply statistics for the joint properties. For sensitivity analysis, I would choose to use a uniform distribution where I would be varying the parameters of interest between the specified minimum and maximum. And now I'm ready to compute. And now for some results interpretation of the sensitivity analysis. I would go into the results part of the workflow and select the results entity on the visibility tree. And I would be interested in seeing blocks which have a minimum factor safety less than the input design factor safety. Now, for any of these critical blocks, I can plot the effect of V, or maybe the cohesion, on the factor safety or the required support pressure. So hovering over this block, I see that it has a block ID of 21. And let's plot this. Scatter plot, I want to look at the effect of V on the factor safety for a single block that has an ID of 21. And let's highlight all data where the factor safety is less than 1. And this plot should make sense to you in that with the increase in V, I get an increase in the factor safety for the block. And this concludes the presentation for RocSlope sensitivity analysis.